Inakyat pa nila sa third floor, sa second floor. Oh, thank you very much mga batang Maynila. Thank you very much sa mga nanay at tatay ko. Thank you very much. Nagulat kami actually. Chichi and I and the group nagulat kami na overwhelming yung lumabas na resulta. As far as 2:30, I guess, no? 2:30 AM ngayon. Officially, yung numero is about 550,000 plus. Nakakatuwa naman at 3% remaining. But for the meantime, I think we were advised by COMELEC na mag-re-recess sila and it will resume at 2 p.m. Because of some card which composed of 3% remaining is still nasa eskwelahan at dadalhin ng mga guro. But for the meantime, maraming salamat mga batang Maynila. I hope, maiayos natin ulit ang lungsod. We're very optimistic that with the help of the people of Manila, we can make Manila great again. Gusto namin ni Chichi at 10 ng aming grupo na manalo. Of course, I think any John Doe and Mary who is a candidate gustong manalo, yun talaga ang pangarap namin, yun ang goal namin, makapaglingkod sa tao through winning in a democratic way. But with the result, the official result of the Board of Canvassers of the city, na-overwhelm kami. Kaya salamat talaga sa Diyos at sa ating mga batang Maynila sa lungsod. Na nakakagulat, na-overwhelm kami, na-shock. But we really appreciate it at malaking challenge because there's a great mandate given to us, Chichi and I, and most of our group. No? I think 80% ng aming kapartido ay nanalo sa halalang ito.
Mayor, you're going back your first run in Manila. Ano ba yung aasahan na ng mga Manila? Something new you will bring to the table after 3 years of
I think one of the immediate concern ng mga Manileño is the issue of basura. Yung pagkadugyot talaga ng Maynila and the criminality happening in the city. With the result of the election and issues raised during the campaign, I think yun na yun. Yun yung immediate na kailangan bigyan ng atensyon. And then again, like Chichi committed to deliver livelihood programs sa hirap ng buhay ngayon ng ating mga kababayan. Plus the fact that we will continue to pursue the concept of MBN, yung minimum basic needs. Housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. But initially, yung cleanliness and orderliness and the peace and order situation of the city will be confronted by us. And sabi ko nga sa mga Tolonges, bago na kayo. Talagang, it's our commitment. Pag ako nabibigyan ng pagkakataon, I really try to dedicate my time serving the people. And that includes wee hours or hora de peligro. Kaya mapupuyat kayo ulit. Yes, please. You're next.
4% na lang yung hinihintay natin. Nakausap na
Well, hindi. But I don't know. I don't know kung kayo ang sumulat, but we saw some news that Mr. Bersosa considered already. But the other one, I don't know. And the others, no?
willing kayo makipag-usap sa kanila.
Because at the end of the day, taga Maynila sila, di ba? Yung magiging mamamayan ko rin sila. And as I have been doing and committed to do, sa Maynila, pantay-pantay. So, there are still members of the community, and we are, Chichi and I, and the entire Yormes Choice, which with great majority of members of the City Council, thanks again to the people of Manila, we are willing to serve them. So, yung pagkakabati-bati, I think, una ko na munang panawagan ito sa ating mga mamamayan. Opo, tapos na po ang eleksyon, yung mga nagkontrapartido, magkatapat ng ilog, magbati-bati na po kayo. Tapos na po ang halalan. Nagpasya na ang taong bayan and overwhelmingly binigyan tayo ulit ng pagkakataon. So ang panawagan ko na lang sa mamamayan, magbati-bati na po tayo, wag na po tayo magiwaiwalay. At the end of the day, tayo rin ang magkikita sa finals. You were saying?
Yun yung mga alas 10 pala ng gabi, alam natin na landslide po kayo, pero hindi po natuloy yung proklamasyon at ngayong gabi, anong tumatakbo sa isip po ninyo?
Siyempre, excited kami maproklama. I think kahit sinong kandidatong tumatakbo sa public office, excited maproklama, and especially if it is highly improbable. If I may borrow that term, coming from the commission, medyo wala na. But then again, following rules and following instructions, it seems so far okay naman, and being understanding of the situation, the physical, emotional, and psychological challenge to our BEIs and the teachers and all other individuals who participated in this election, the backbone of the democracy at the time that the election is going on, and I think it's 4 a.m. 4 a.m. pa sila. We'll give them understanding. But honestly, I mean, straightforward, we're very excited to be proclaimed because nakakaingit yung Las Piñas, saka San Juan City yata. Quezon City? Munti. So, 4 na city na sa Metro Manila. I hope we're next. Siguro yun lang muna masasabi ko. But for the meantime, kung ano magiging pasya ng City Board of Canvassers to recess or rest sila, waiting for 51 more card, we're willing to wait. Nakapaghintay nga ang mga batang Maynila ng 3 taon. Ano ba naman yung makapaghintay pa kami ng walang oras.
Kayo sa mga supporters, mga sumuporta po sa inyo.
Well, unang-una maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta sa amin ni Yorme at ng marami sa mga kasama namin sa Yorme's Choice. Ang hiningi po namin na kayo'y magtiwala na we are more than willing to give you a government that will give you good governance and isang gobyerno na makikinig sa inyo at ipaglalaban ng boses nyo. Maraming salamat dahil nandito po kami ngayon and makakaasa kayo na sa aming mga pinangako, magde-deliver po kami. At kung si Yorme ay bilis kilos, wag po kayo mag-alala dahil ang kanyang vice-alcalde, mabilis rin po akong kumilos at hindi rin po ako natutulog kasama niyo. Kaya nandun po kayo sa mga mabubuting kamay.
Maraming salamat.
Okay. Sure.
Na rin yung anak niyo po na suwag.
Awa ng Diyos. Mga taga-Tondo. Nandyan na ba si Joaquin? Gusto ko lang manalo siya pero
Number 1.
overwhelming din yung tulong ng mga taga-Tondo. Ayan. Isa lang nyo na. I-break in nyo na. Halika rito. Para matuto siyang kausapin kayo. Halika raw. Tatanungin ka raw nila. Ayan, yung person.
First off, congratulations po on your win. Any advice that you got from your father pagdating po sa governance at pagiging konsehal bilang ang daddy niyo nagsimula din po bilang konsehal sa Tondo?
Huwag niyo lang kakalimutan po yung intention niyo po at yung puso niyo lang po talaga. Kasi in the end of the day, you really need the heart to serve the people. Kasi kung hindi mo mahal yung ginagawa mo, hindi mo pagbubutihan yung paglilingkod mo sa tao. Nakakabahan ako, ang daming camera.
Masanay ka na.
Masanay ka na, boss.
Po?
Bata ka pa.
Opo, bata naman po talaga ako. Ay, aminin ko po yun. And sa lahat po nagsasabi dyan na to, baka wala akong magagawa, ganun. But don't worry po, sa edad po, sa paglilingkod, wala yun sa edad. It's really in the end of the day, it's your heart and your passion to strive to do better for the people. And kasi yung tipong yung you want to make them feel something yung nakaangat sa buhay nila and not yung pwede na lang yan. Let's stop with the pwede na lang yan. Dapat much better you know. We give it to them because matagal na silang hindi nabibigyan ng tama.
English lang siya, Tagalog.
I'm trying to do both. I'm trying to do both. I'm trying to be more like my dad. Thank you, salamat po.
Again, pero let me, one more time and thank each and every one of you, our partners in media who really yung being vigilant in the last 45 days in the city of Manila. Dahil sa inyo, marami kayo nabantayan at maraming mga ilang individual hindi siguro nila nagawa yung mga masamang nagawa nila. So I would like to thank each and every one of you. And of course, our vloggers, our, for the love of talaga yan, yung mga vloggers yan. Abunado pa sa akin yan. Gusto ko rin silang pasalamatan. Yung mga supporters natin, leaders natin, and gusto ko rin pasalamatan yung mga kababaihan ng Maynila, kabakan ng Maynila, at siyempre yung ating mga minamahal ng kaagapay. At lahat ng volunteers, individuals, organization, maraming salamat sa inyo. And I hope supporting me will not stop because tapos na yung eleksyon. Again, ulitin ko, Chichi and I, and the entire group, we cannot do it alone. We need everybody's participation, the people of Manila. We need you because it is our city. It is our community. Walang magmamalasakit dito kundi tayo rin naman mga kapwa-batang Maynila. So, I hope in the coming weeks, come and join us. Let's rebuild Manila to have a better place for us maybe, but definitely let's do this for the next generation of the people of Manila. Muli, maraming salamat and God first. Thank you.